Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your beekeeping supply store business. Suppose as the owner of beekeeping supply store business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to share hive kit information, provide tool details and help customers order beekeeping gear anytime. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your beekeeping supply store business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I want bee suit and gloves. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Welcome to Beewise Beekeeping Supplies. How can I assist you today? Now we have a view product button. After clicking view product button, we are getting response. Beginner hive kit, bee suit and gloves. Now simply click on order now button. After clicking order now button, we are getting another message. Please mention quantity. Now I am entering quantity 2. After mention quantity, I am getting our last message. We'll confirm your order and send a payment link shortly. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser. Simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in. Otherwise, we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now, simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your beekeeping supply store business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have an option, keywords and template. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of both of them. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Welcome to Beewise Beekeeping Supplies. How can I assist you today? And you will see I am using the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now in this we also add button, view products, and simply connect the flow. Now we take media button. In this we upload the media which I already downloaded and enter the caption beginner hive kit and also add order now button. Now we take another media box. In this we also upload media and simply enter the caption bee suit and gloves. Now simply add order now button and simply save the flow. and simply connect this view product button to this media box. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a quantity from user. Please mention quantity. Now simply connect this order now button to this question box and simply select the contact custom field quantity and select the format, that is text format. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on setting and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Well, confirm your order and send a payment link shortly. Now simply connect this question box to this message box. Now save the flow. If you want to increase your chatbot according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type beginner hive kit. After typing, you will see I'm getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.